In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tacoma key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You will need one of these CR 2016 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step is just to look up at the top of the device where this key ring attaches, and you can see there's a little indentation in the plastic there. You're going to use a regular flathead screwdriver to insert it in there, twist and open this thing up, but you need to make sure that the back is facing up, not the buttons. You want the Toyota symbol facing up for this step. So go ahead and insert into that little indentation there and just twist the screwdriver. That will crack this thing open, and you can just lift off this back piece of plastic, and inside we have this little black component that we will lift out. So we held it this way so these little buttons will not fall out and you won't need to put them back in again. So just be careful, set that down, keeping it oriented that way, and then we can move over here. The battery is actually inside of this little component here, and we're going to use the same flathead screwdriver to open it up. So you can see there's actually a little arrow here. It says use coin to open. You can use a coin or just this flathead screwdriver that we already have out, and you insert it into this little area in between the black plastic and this little wall of clear plastic, and we just twist. And it comes off very easily after you crack it open with a little twist there. And so here's our battery. Once again, this is a CR 2016 battery, and if you don't know where to get one of those, check out the link in the description. And from here, we just want to put the tool behind the battery and push it in. It's that simple. The battery will come right out. Let me show you that once more. So we're going up on the top, getting the edge of our flathead screwdriver behind the battery, and then just gently pushing in. And when you put your new battery in, make sure the positive side is going face up. So just click it back in as it was before. And you want to see that plus sign facing up. Now we could just put everything back together. So click these two back together, carefully lift this up and set that right in there. And you can just clip the back piece of plastic back on there, and you are all set and ready to go. If that video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of those key fobs, changing the battery in them, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model. And you can also visit us for more information over at our website, fobbattery.com.